Hello, this is Attorney Joe Mitchell, YourHarvardAttorney.com, serving Greater Philadelphia with personal injury, criminal defense, and DUI. Thanks for joining me today. I want to talk to you today about personal injury and something at the scene. It's the police report. And the police report is a very important piece of evidence in the whole scheme of things, because the police report paints a picture of what happened. Even though the policeman wasn't a witness, what he has to say about the accident makes a big difference in terms of how a claims adjuster looks at the scene, or how a jury might look at it. So one of the things that's very important about this is that the police officer is going to assign fault. Okay? So he's going to say on his report who caused this accident. He's going to describe the accident. He's going to maybe draw a diagram of the accident, and he's going to assign fault. It's very important that you don't tell him, yeah, it's my fault, I did it. Okay? Now, maybe he will assign fault to you, maybe he won't. But normally, your job is to tell your story, but do not say that I did it or that it's my fault. It's a very important thing. Second thing is, if you're injured, let them know, especially passengers or the driver. Let the officer know that you're injured. Now, you might be all hyped up and there might be adrenaline flowing because you've just been in an accident, but just take a minute, compose yourself, and ask yourself, am I injured? And let the officer know, because a lot of times the officers will say, well, nothing happened, no one was injured, minimum car damage. And the fact of the matter is, there can be minimum car damage and someone can get seriously injured. So make sure that you let the officer know how you are feeling, and if you're injured, let him know that you're feeling injured in some way, and maybe, perhaps, you need an ambulance to take you to the hospital. So these are some very